The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Very good morning. Fellas, good morning. Thank you, Dennis. Jacques, good morning. Richard, thank you as well. Sight and sound is good. Fellas, good morning. Today, of course, is Tuesday, September 17th. Blessings to you, Michael. It is the start of FOMC. Good morning, Patrick. Tomorrow is the day. Good morning, Pascal. Guys, I am thinking that tomorrow, my opinion, we get a half a bip cut, not a quarter. That is my opinion based on what I have read. And I think the markets will initially react positively, and we'll see what happens. In any event, today again is Tuesday, September 17th. If you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome. We do have a number of trials that signed up yesterday. I want to welcome you to the room. I sent everyone yesterday's video that signed up yesterday. As well as the people that were in on Monday. But I sent you guys the video, which covered basically the room, what you're going to see. The algos there are two algos on the screen. There are two additional algos to the right of me. And I will, of course, show those trades if and when they occur. ES is on the right. Excuse me. The 15-second this morning, which we traded, the algo from 6 a.m. until 7:10, just an hour and 10 minutes on a 15-second chart. Had 5 winning trades, $50 targets. That's up $250 today. I don't really track that, but that was up this morning. Yesterday, we left the room. Whoop, that's not what I want. Yesterday, we left the room, and Algo 3.1 had not taken a trade while we were in the room, but it did take a trade shortly thereafter. So Algo 3.1 for me, I was trading September yesterday. I am now trading December. So if you haven't rolled, you should roll. The volume is in December. But it took one small trade for $265. So 3.1 is currently running. It's taken 24 trades for the month. 22 winners, 92%. It's up 37.75 halfway through the month. And of course, Algo 3.2 and 3.3 both took trades while we were in the room, as well as the ES, which was up $450 today. I rolled CL as well. Yeah, I've rolled everything. Crude is, on TradeStation, crude is still trading October. Let me see here. I did roll crude, although, November. I didn't shut TradeStation down last night. So if I shut it down and restarted it, crude would be trading October, but November, but I have rolled it to November.
10 minutes time, we'll get some Canadian data. The August annual housing starts consensus 250,000 against the prior 279, about 5,000.
Here's what I'm going to do.
Historically comes out a few.
U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. Good morning, Earl. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. For those of you guys that are here on trial, all right, I read that disclaimer, and primarily that is going to apply to the trades that I take using order flow, my discretionary trading. I am trading an Apex account on a on a DOM. You will notice that I am trading Apex accounts as well on Algo 3.1 and Algo 3.2. You'll notice they are notated on the bottom, 3.2, 3.1. I am trading 3.1 on, excuse me, a PA account. Just to give you some background, this PA account originated obviously as an evaluation. Algo 3.1 cleared that evaluation into a PA, and I have traded the PA account that it cleared, okay? Currently, that PA account stands at $53,031 in 9 trade sessions. So it took me, I want to say 14 days to clear the evaluation, and now 9 trade days. And I am able on one more day tomorrow, I would be able to request a payout. Okay, so for anybody that has the algo that's in the room that wants to know, do I trade them? If anybody, I mean, I know you guys in the room already know, but do I trade them on PA accounts? Yes. We've had members who have already been paid out using the algo, and we have an abundance of members that obviously are using the algo that don't report anything to me or in the member Skype. I did have a big setback on Algo 3.1, yes. So that was the first day. I'll show it to you guys. But that's not what I want. So Algo 3.1, actually, the first day of September took $3,200 in draw. Okay. So, and my apologies, it's a $150,000. It's a 150K account, currently on a 50K account. I took $3,200 in draw, almost blew the account. I violated my own rule. Never let an account take more than 1,500, 1,700 in draw. I let it, the first trade was a loser, the second trade was a loser, the third trade was a winner. Okay, the third trade was a winner. So I somewhat got bailed out, but that was my own stupidity. And the key with the algos or any trading is obviously money management, right? And I, like you guys, from time to time, I am prone to doing things that are not smart. On my first Buellnox account, I have traded 10 days, and I am at, hang on, I can tell you. Hang on, guys. I'm not quite there yet. I've traded 10 days.
We're awaiting the annualized housing starts.
I'm just killing time, fellas. We're not doing anything till 8:30, so logging into Buellnox here.
Ahead of the scheduled release time at 1:15. Slovakia's finance ministers just know that they will raise the corporate tax.
All right, so on Buellnox, on my first account, I am currently at $53,719.38 on 11 trade days. So I still need, let's call it $400 if I want to take the max, which is $1,500 with Buell Knox. That's my first funded account. Hang on one second, guys. Uno momento. We're off. ES is
Order submitted.
ES is pulling back and just took a short right on the open. ES is short right on the open, which I hate on the algo. I hate trades right at the open, guys. NASDAQ has some sellers. Bounced off of the high again, yesterday's high. I don't think ES is going to come down far unless it breaks 17, which is target here. Yeah, well, as long as we don't take out that swing at 23.50, I'll like it, but I don't think that's the case. No signals on the NASDAQ charts. Yeah, we're blowing up. That was the pullback. I have an 845 target, fellas. I'm not taking longs up here. So if I don't get a pullback, I wait. There's the 16 resistance. If it clears 17 or so, it's no 19.5. It's Gonzola. It's a daily breakout. Not a trade for me. I don't take these trades. Doody-doo, doody-doo. $8.48. If you guys are breakout traders and you took that breakout, I have an 8.48 target. That is not for me. Whoop.
Target filled. Order canceled.
Look at this volatility. Man, they're kicking the snot out of me on this. Still like the shorts down to 50.25. We just back tested yesterday's high at 84. Small buyers. Don't push up to 95, you scum. Come on, fade. Come on. Come on. Got 130 buyers in here, 400 on the day. I don't want this pushing up. It's going to push up to 800. Come on.
The old contractor's a long in here for what that's worth.
Yeah, I see that. I just don't like it unless this breaks back down below 74. Then it's coming down. Need it back below 74. Come on. They're losing buyers. Buyers step back in. This should come to 51, guys. 50, 51, 52. Come on, homeboy. Back to entry. Come on, homeboy. Come on, turd. 50, 51. Let's go. You guys can get out if you back to even a few ticks. They lost all the buyers from that up move. There we go. Come on. Come on. There we go. 50, 51. Got you. Let's go.
Order filled.
No.
Target filled.
Did it to me again.
Order filled.
I got to take that damn ATM off, guys. It's too fast for me to use an ATM and do anything. YM chopping around, doing nothing. ES doing absolutely nothing. No signals on NASDAQ on the algos. Still think we're coming down to that 50, 51. Look at another chart. Yeah. Resistance is now up around 92, 88 to 92. If we pop up to 88, I'm going to sell it again. Come on, 83. Come on, do it. Come on. Can't get there. There it is. Oh, almost. 50 buyers. This could go back to 800. Let's see, 5-minute bar. Wait till the next bar. Yeah, I've got it marked on my chart, Ray. That gold line. And I think we'll come get it. I'm just waiting till the next 5-minute bar here in 6 seconds. It hit. Did it hit 88? No. Sitting on support. 78. Here we go. No. I'm looking to short 88 or so. Small sellers in here. God, can't get to 88. Yeah, it would be by about 5 minutes, probably all of them. We just don't get that many signals right at the open. It happened yesterday and today, but typically we don't get that many trades right on the open. I hate the open trades because of the, jacking back and forth. I think that hit my 88. Yeah, I mean, that's a volatility issue with all of these platforms. Guys, they're bleeding them out up here. We're down to 250. There's distribution going on in here. Come on, don't give me a higher low. It's a big ass stop though, fellas, just so you know.
Order filled.
35 and 61 is going to plot. 35 and 61.
$45 there was a short.
Yeah, I'm short. I'm short 43.
Oh, awesome. Okay.
My first target is that unfinished auction. My first target is that unfinished auction. Right here. Look at this devil. Come on, heathen, break down. Here comes your trade.
Order canceled.
There you go.
Order canceled.
Stop hit or trailing stop hit on 3-1 and 3-3. Okay. Got it then Buell knocks also. All right, guys. So we've got 3-1 plus 200, 3-3 plus 510.
Target filled.
On what? Oh, me. On my order flow trade. Not even paying attention.
Order canceled.
Got target 1 now on 3.2.
Order canceled.
And target 2. All right. Winner, winner, Ciccone dinner. Who's surprised by that? Not me. It's what it do. All right, fellas. Let's write them up. One trade, one winner. Not much, but we'll take it. It's a PA, no problem. Go buy some chicken, baby.
Got YM at longs. Got to get up through.
I'm still holding 2 on NASDAQ. I'm not even paying attention.
that.
Seriously, I'm like in my own world here.
It's all right. You're making money.
Order filled.
All right. One. And what did this do? 480.
25 minutes into the trading session or so, with the Dow up 60 points, the S&P up 16.5 handles, and the Nasdaq Composite up 101. The Russell 2000 up 0.8%. For the small caps, crude futures up 1% at 70.85. And bond yields are now higher across the curve in the wake of that stronger than expected retail sales print, 3.65% in the 10-year, 3.61 in the 2-year.
There we go. Anybody have any questions? We bounced out of this zone. This is the trade I took, right? We came down to 62, bounced back up, finally broke, held this zone, bounced back, broke down. We've now traded to this zone, would have been a good long. And now we're bouncing back up into resistance zone with a whopping 32 buyers. We need to break down below 701, and this could get brutal. ES has an unfinished auction at 5709 and a half, 02 and 5700. Okay. So ES right now, you can see here, there it is.
Order submitted.
Don't like it. It's got to push here. It's pushing value area high. A lot of resistance here. If this gets up through 14, 15, let's call it 14, this thing's going to rip. Come on, baby. A lot of compression in here. They better find some buyers, more than 34. First hurdle is back 08. This is going to fail. Looks like it's building maybe a bull flag on a 32nd, but it's going to fail. I can see it. Come on. If it puts in this higher swing, it's going to rip. Got to get back up through 8.5, 9. If this puts in a higher swing here, it's going to rip. Come on, let's go. Muscle up, baby. Uh-oh.
Order
Target filled. Target filled.
Order canceled.
We got target.
Order canceled.
Whoop. Okay, flat.
Maybe break even now. But support here at 77.
Just go over the trades. So I'm going to shut off Algo 2, or 3.1, I'm sorry, and 3.3 are done. So for the benefit of trials and the video, I'll cover them. We've had 2 trades on Algo 3.1, both winners. So another 100%. Nothing big, but that's okay. Just keep stacking and racking, fellas. So we're 2 trades. So we've got 24 out of 26 for the month. Only 2 losing trades were first day of the month. 24 divided by 26 is 92%, 0.3. And we can go 3775 plus 290, 4,065. Okay, that's 3-1.
Very nice, Rob.
Okay. Let me see if I can get this damn trade closed now. Still won't close.
You're in the money.
Hell yeah, I'm in the money. I was $1,200 in draw.
Yeah.
Now I'm in the money. Would have hit my targets again. And I still can't get out of the trade. Won't close. You cannot trade. Do not trade Buell Knox. Do not trade it. I hit targets. It didn't take it off. I'm sure they'll rectify it.
If you was to sell
We just came back down
80
to that
billion
45. I
in
was 30
8-week
handles in the
bills,
profit. I can't get out of the trade.
60 billion in 4-month bills.
I'm sure they're aware that I'm sure they've got 9 million. All right, and 3.3 took 2 trades for 100%. So let's see, 610, 22. So it's 24 out of 25. I don't. I mean, 24 divided by 25, 96%. We can't get much better than that. $42.40 plus 610, $48.50. Okay, so these are done for me for the day, guys. The only thing that I'm going to trade is the 3.2. I'll let that go till noon. And ES is currently down 1137.50. Okay, don't really care about the ES. It's in sim. I'm just tracking it for at least a month or two. But the NASDAQ has done its job again. Any questions before we leave? Any questions? This breaks down below 45, and it comes down to 09. All right, guys.